In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a specific folder to Google Photos. If you're trying to move a single folder of pictures into Google Photos, there's one important thing to know right away. Google Photos does not let you upload a folder and keep its original subfolder structure in one click. So if your folder contains multiple nested folders, those won't automatically stay organized the same way during this method. However, if your goal is simply to upload the contents of one specific folder, you can do that very easily using your phone's built-in sharing feature. On a computer, you can also drag and drop files into Google Photos, but in this tutorial, we're focusing on the manual upload method from a mobile device. To begin, open your phone's default Gallery app or File Manager app. The exact name may vary depending on your device, but either one works as long as you can browse your stored photos and videos. From there, navigate to the specific folder you want to upload. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct folder before continuing, especially if you have several albums or directories with similar names. Once you're inside the folder, tap and hold the first photo to enter selection mode. This is the mode that allows you to choose multiple items at once. After that, tap select all if you want to upload everything in that folder. If you only want some of the files, you can manually tap the specific photos or videos you'd like to include instead. This is helpful if the folder contains a mix of items and you only want to send certain ones to Google Photos. After making your selection, tap the share or send icon. On most phones, this looks like 3 connected dots or a small arrow. Tapping it opens the list of apps and actions available for the files you selected. From the sharing options, choose Upload to Google Photos. If prompted, confirm the Google account you want to use. This is especially important if you're signed into more than one account on your device. After confirming the account, tap Upload to begin transferring the files. Once the upload starts, give it a little time to finish, especially if you're uploading a large number of photos or videos. For the smoothest experience, it's best to stay connected to Wi-Fi and keep the app open if your phone tends to pause background activity. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded the contents of a specific folder to Google Photos.